Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, uh, 14th of April 2026. Uh, let's see what we are looking at yesterday. This is what we were trading yesterday. Mm, Yesterday was not a good day. Uh, I'll tell you why. This is what we are looking for. We are looking for potential buy above this level. As we were doing this analysis, this was around the 8:30. This candle was almost closing. Once it closed, I put my buy limit here, which was activated by this hanging man doji. You can see this candle here. It was activated here. But once I saw this rejection wicks, and then there was a break of structure here, I decided to move my stop loss. Initially, my stop loss was here, just below this structure here. So I decided to place my stop loss. I placed my stop loss just below this support. So if the price comes to this support and breaks it, then I'm out. But once I saw this rejection wicks and then a small structure break here, yeah, there's a structure break, and this kind of close above. But this week still they didn't give me much confidence, so I decided to move my stop loss just below here, and eventually it got hit, got out with a loss, a manageable loss. That was the first trade of the day. After the loss, I decided let me not take another trade today. Let me watch and see what's happening. And you can see, if I had decided to take another trade, this would have been my entry for a sale. The sale was activated. Immediately, price pulled back. Yeah, my stop loss would have been hit because there's no way I was going to place a stop loss all the way up here. Definitely not. Then price came back again. You see, all yesterday price, much of what price was doing was a lot of consolidation around this region here. And remember, we said we don't trade consolidations. When the market is moving sideways, just wait for it to break out. Otherwise, you're gonna incur a lot of losses because it will fake it. It gives you so many fake outs. Like here, price, you'd have thought price would continue pushing upwards, then price moved all the way. If you had entered a buy here, your stop loss would definitely be around here below the structure. It would have been hit, then price reversed, moved all the way. So I didn't take another buy. I didn't take another trade. I got out with the loss yesterday and decided let me wait for today. Yesterday was Monday. You said there are 4 more days in the week, so let me not chase the market. Let me wait for the market to show its hand. So real quick, we're going to remove all this. You see, the market played out at around for our buys. This was around 8 p.m. is when we got a breakout here. The market pushed to TP1 and TP2. But if you had been trading all these false breakouts here, you made a lot of losses yesterday. So real quick, let's remove all of this. First, we'll look at the news, see what you have today affecting the dollar. Today is Tuesday. Nothing affecting the weeks. The only news affecting the dollar is at 3:30 p.m. The core PPI. This may bring about some volatility in the market. So at around 3:15, if you have any open positions, move your stop loss to break even or in profit, lock in some profit, or just close the entire trade and wait for the volatility to settle. So that's the only news affecting the dollar today. So real quick, jump into the charts. What's happening? What's happening here? My trading view is stuck. Oh, network. Having network issues. Apologies for that. Let me settle that. The network is misbehaving today. So real quick, remove everything. Get into the analysis for today. So this is what we have monthly. Our monthly resistance, still have it there. Our monthly support is a confirmed support. Previous month, last month. Weekly, we have, what do we have? We have this support here, resistance there, and the support still there, support there, resistance there. On the daily, what do we have? We have this support here and the resistance up here. Let's use the bodies for the daily. For the daily, that's what you're looking at. Support, resistance. Okay, for the 4 hours, jump into the 4 hours. This network today is really misbehaving. 4 hours, what do we have? Why is it misbehaving? We are back. We were on the daily. On the daily, let's have this confirmed high here and this confirmed low here. Let's not check the wicks there. 4 hours, go down to 4 hours. So that's the daily. 4 hours, we're looking at our support down here. Yeah, let's use the wicks. Support down here. Broke this structure here. Our resistance up here. That's our resistance there. On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we are going to adjust this to the body there. Let's leave that one there. So let's readjust here. Our 1 hour support Broke the structure here. Do you see any structure broken here? No. So this is a 1 hour support here, and our 1 hour resistance up there. That's what we have on 1 hour. Let's go down to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, still consolidating here. Let's see what we have on 15 minutes. 15 minutes, same consolidation here. There was a support. This was 8 a.m. candles. There was a support here, which was broken. I would not get in the trade in here. So let's go back to 30 minutes. Yes, let's stick to this time frame. Stick to this time frame. So what you're going to be looking for, you're going to be looking for sales below here. So move. I don't want to trade inside this range here. So let's not even talk about the support and the support, because there's a support here on the 30 minutes. But the safest I would take here for the safe buys, for the safe sells, I would want to see the price break below here. And for the safe buys, I would want to see price move this to the bodies there. I don't want to take buys from here. So I want to buy from out of the range. Sells here. So this is what I'll do. So this is how I would trade this market. Remember, you don't have to trade, you don't have to take every trade to be profitable. Just identify your perfect setup. Once you've identified your setup, one trade a day or even one good trade a week is enough. So this is how I would trade today's markets. Remember, this is price action based on market structures. These are structural lows. Yeah. So that's what I would be looking for today. For the buys, I will take my buy from this position here. And I would want to push it here. We get the volumes to push the market up. My stop loss just below there. If price decides to come back there, then that's not our trade to take. So that's what we're looking at for the buys. The short position, I would want to take the market. If we get a candle closing below here with good momentum, I would want to take the market down here. There's this fair value gap here, so I wouldn't want to push it so far down there. Let's see if we get a sell. And our stop loss, I would have my stop loss just below, just depending on how this structure breaks down here. My stop loss would be within this range here. Okay, so that's what we are looking at today. If I get a candle closing above this level with good momentum, then I'll wait for a rejection here or place my buy limit here. If this candle breaks with good momentum here and closes above here, I would want to see it pull back here, retest this level here, and take the market up. And this is where I would take my entry from. This is where I would take my buy from. Remember, trading with me doesn't guarantee that you trade you will be profitable. It doesn't guarantee that you'll be profitable whether you trade with me or not. So remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Risk manage your trades well. And happy hunting, guys. See you tomorrow as we recap this. Oh, I didn't label these levels. I don't even have enough time to do so, but let me try. Potential buys above, potential buys below, potential sells below. Potential sells below. Let me not make this so long. See you guys tomorrow as we recap this. You see, that's good momentum there. If it closes well above there without long rejection week, then I would be comfortable taking this trade. Trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is key. See you tomorrow, guys.